Hey, stop scrolling right now. What if I told you there are animals on this planet that grow brand new teeth every single day? No dentist, no pain, just fresh, sharp teeth daily. I'm Wolf, and today we're going deep into one of nature's most insane superpowers. Stick around, because the last animal on this list is going to break your brain. Let's start with the obvious legend, the shark. Sharks don't just regrow teeth. They have rows of them, 5 to 15 rows sitting behind the front ones, waiting. When a tooth falls out, and they fall out constantly, a new one moves forward like a conveyor belt. Some sharks go through up to 50,000 teeth in a lifetime. 50,000. Now I want you to drop a comment right now. Guess how many teeth you've grown in your whole life. Go. I'll wait. Here's where things get weird. Garden snails. Those tiny, slow creatures you've probably stepped over without a second thought. They have teeth too. Thousands of them. Not the kind you're imagining. They're microscopic and arranged on a ribbon-like structure called a radula. A single snail can have over 14,000 teeth on that ribbon. And yes, they renew constantly. Your garden is basically full of tiny tooth machines. Tell me in the comments, did you know snails had teeth? Because I definitely did not before I started digging into this. Now here's the plot twist nobody sees coming. Limpets. Small ocean creatures that cling to rocks. Their teeth are made of goethite, one of the strongest biological materials ever discovered. Stronger than spider silk, stronger than Kevlar, stronger than almost anything nature has produced. Scientists are literally studying limpet teeth to build better Formula One cars and aircraft. And yes, they regenerate those teeth too. A tiny rock clinger, engineering the future. Nature never stops surprising me. But here's the animal that really gets me. Lobsters. They have teeth, but not in their mouth, in their stomach. 3 tooth-like structures called the gastric mill grind up food from the inside. And they shed and regrow this entire system every time they molt. I need the comments to explode right now. Stomach teeth. Did you know this was a thing? So, who grows teeth every day? Sharks, snails, limpets, lobsters, and honestly, dozens more species we didn't even get to today. Nature figured out something humans have been trying to crack for decades in dentistry labs. The answer was always out there. Crawling on rocks, swimming in oceans, moving through your garden. If this video made you look at the world just a little differently, hit that like button. It seriously helps more than you think. And if you want more moments like this one, where science punches you right in the curiosity, subscribe. I'm Wolf, and I'll see you in the next one.